Hello and welcome. Today we're going to chat about registering for classes and walk you through the process of how to register using MySNHU. We're going to first log in using a train ID here. We'll connect to SNU. I'll bring this over a bit. What we're looking at is search and register for classes, and manage my registrations is what we will mainly focus on. So if I click search and register for classes, I get something that looks like this. So I need to select a term, a subject, course level, course number, section. So for a term, we got a couple terms that you're eligible for, including the 17 fall day, which is your full semester that runs the fall term. You have fall A, if you're a School of Business student, that's the first 8 weeks. And you have fall B, that's for School of Business students, that's the second 8 weeks. So we're going to focus on 17 fall day. For our subject, we're going to do English. So we find the prefix for English, which is ENG. We can skip over course level, and we just know the course number. So I'm looking for maybe English 120. The section number we can also skip over. The section meeting after you can fill out if you want, but I want to see all my options, so I'm just going to hit submit. From here, I'm going to get a bunch of options that includes the term. You want to make sure that this is the 2017-2018 fall undergrad. It tells you if the class is open or closed. Course description, if you click this blue link, make sure it is located in Manchester, New Hampshire. Some meeting information, the faculty member, and the capacity. So note that the capacity 15 out of 15 means there's 15 seats remaining out of 15 total seats. If that was down to 2 out of 15, that means there's 2 seats remaining out of 15 total seats. Okay, so say I want this bright and early 8 a.m. English 120 class. I check the box and I scroll to the bottom and I hit submit. What that does is it adds it to my preferred list, or what we commonly call your shopping cart. As you can see, you can do this with as many classes as you want. So you just go through the process of adding the courses to your preferred list. And on the morning of your registration, you want to start off by saying, logging into MySNU. Over on the left-hand side here, we got manage my registrations. That is how you get back to your shopping cart or your preferred list. So by looking at that, I get to this screen. I'm able to monitor the capacity either leading up to registration or on the day of my registration. So if that is completely open, I go ahead and register. If you have all the classes you want here, you can also do action for all preferred sections and click register all. If a class is full, you can also remove it. Note that the only 2 functions that you are eligible to use is register and remove. Audit and waitlist are not currently used, so please only use register and remove from list. So if I click register, all I do is scroll down to the bottom, and then the morning of registration, hit submit. On that next screen, you will get a confirmation stating you registered for the class, and voila, you have just registered for classes. If you have any questions, please contact your academic advisor or come see us in the new Green Center, suite number 116.